Unilevel Plan. Today, we'll look into Unilevel Plan, its features and functions if you are considering this as your business plan. The features and functions comes with two sides of operations. One is admin side and the other is user side. On the first hand, we'll look into admin side features. First menu you see in this dashboard. You get an overall views about users, their details such as new users inside, total number of users, products purchased, products distributed, overall commissions, weekly payment, total payment, referral payout. Also, you can see last users login name, login time, IP address, and also recent users withdrawal, the total money used, user profile, name and address, and the type of payout received. Everything is visible here. Then comes user management, where you get visible all your users, their name, their IDs, their emails, mobile number, purchase value, join date. With add user button, you can add a new user, and when you need all these in a report option, we have options of sorting it and sending it to you on PDF or Excel format. The user management has options to view genealogy, user's password, and their downlines too. Apart from that, you get to privilege to options of meeting the user active or inactive. Also, you can edit users details. The third one comes down to sponsor details, where you can set your sponsor details, their sponsor ID and name. Then comes site settings. First is general settings, where you can change the contents in your site and save it, such as taglines you give. You can make it better, change any URLs if needed, keywords, and save it. You can change your email IDs and contact addresses. Social links, such as links of your company's social media site, is manageable too. Attachable, the site logos is also changeable. All these functions are available in the admin side. In this CMS page itself, you can manage your about page and respective contents. Home page contents, images are also editable. Bank detail options are editable format also, such as account holder's name, bank name, branch name, account number, IFSC code, and all the general details. You can change your password too in this site settings. Then you can decide to post the FAQs on your choice, set title active or deactivated. All the actions are available to edit and delete options with. Fourth comes the business settings. The first in business settings is where you choose your profile's prefix at your convenience. You get to decide your product's GST too. You can fix the product's GST percent. You can choose about enabling referral bonus to your user and disabling it too. Self referral bonus, level bonus, cash rewards, leadership bonus, and all the other options are also editable. The fifth one comes out to referral commission, where you get to decide to give your user their referral amount percentage or don't decide its value. This is also editable. Then in level settings, same as the refer commission, you can decide how much level you can maintain with each user using the edit options and fix the commission based on their. Sixth option comes out to be payout, where you can view the number of payment amount in the payout, such as referral payout, level payout, and self referral payout. With all these details, you can download it in PDFs or in Excel format if you need it. Seventh one comes out to be product list. Here, all the products you get to show in your website is listed here. If you want to add any product here, you can add it to. This page contains information about your products, such as products ID, products image, name of the product, quantity of the product, cost of the product, purchase value of the product, status of the product, everything. And in the product list, you can add supplements too. Like if you can subcategorize products based on users and the nature and list it as supplement product. For example, if you have products related to skincare, you can group them all everything in a name skincare and that is called supplement product. Then comes purchase list where you can see all the user purchased with details like their profile IDs, name of the user, price where the products they purchased, quantity they purchased, the GST amount they paid for it, the pay slip, the status of the purchase and the delivery status and all. Then comes stock management, where you are visible with data about stock, such as name of the stock, count of the product available, date when it posted, and everything with including the IP address. When you need to add stock, you can add it also in sold stock list. You get to details about this stock stole. Wasted stock has a separate list here too. The ninth one is transaction. In this transaction, you get all the requests the user make on for withdrawal and all the other requests are visible here. You can change, approve or cancel it here. Then the total withdrawal history is also available. 10th one comes out to be earning list. The overall earnings the company has made is visible here. Grouping it into or viewing it in the individuals like who made the more income can also be done. Next comes the sub-admin list. Why it is? It is to maintain admins under you and share your work and get the work done better. Then it comes to report management where you get exclusive reports based on the topics such as referral report, downline report, purchase report, repurchase report, income report, user report, downline purchase report. Knowledge. If you like to post any content or feed into your website, you can choose columns too. You can manage the contents posted in your website, sliders, image, and can edit all it and delete it if needed. Using the mailing system, you can send and receive mails to your users, and it also contains inbox, outbox, read mail, unread mail options. This facility provides communication within the users within the website. Now, we'll view all the features available in the user side of the application. First comes the dashboard. There, the first option available is referral link. Using this link, you can add people under you. Then you get to see users level, their referral count, total downline members, total balance, total referral bonus, level bonus, withdrawal bonus, and everything. For better understanding of the user, their total payout details, the profile IDs, purchase history, everything is visible. All the products purchased by the user is visible here, like name of the product, ID, quantity price, the invoice, everything. Also, they can view the status of the product, whether it is payment verified or pending receivable, everything is visible. And the user can download the invoice too. In my wish list menu, the user can view the products and they add it into the wish list, purchase it later. They can buy it or even delete it if needed. Then in the genealogy list, they can view the number of downliners under them, the space to be filled under them. All the details about the packs are visible here. Then in the withdrawal list, the overall history about the number of withdrawals the user has made is visible. Next, in the mailing status, the communications the admin has made with user through mail is visible. The user can also communicate with the admin and other users here in the text. It also has inbox, outbox, forward, read, unread options too. From the home tab, user can view the products listed in the site and they can purchase it from the products. Then, in the contact details tab, they can view the details about the company, the map location. They can mail the company too. Thank you.